Hey, this is John from Hula Boat Care, and today we're going to talk about RAD Clean All and Protect, one of the best cleaners on the market for deep cleaning vinyl, carpet, and EVA foam products. As a matter of fact, this product is the approved product for cleaning gator step surfaces. It's a biodegradable, no phosphate, non-toxic product designed specifically for these kinds of surfaces. Can be used in and around water, and there's nothing strong in terms of scent. As a matter of fact, we've put a nice little light cucumber scent, so not only will you enjoy it using it, but those around you will enjoy using it as well. Being water-based, nothing greasy or grimy about it, extremely versatile, and it goes something like this. On very dirty vinyl surfaces where number 12 wipeout will not work, you can apply it to the surface, use a brush, to loosen up and soften up the dirt. Then you get a dry, clean microfiber towel, and you wipe the surface. Depending on how severe or how dirty the surface is, sometimes a second coat might be an option. This product not only cleans, but has a good light UV protectant to keep the surfaces that it cleans protected from UV. On EVA surfaces, liberally apply it onto the surface to remove dirt, grime, blood, food stains. You can let it set for a little bit. If the surface is quite dirty, you can use something like a scrub brush, but in the event you do that, make sure that you do scrub in direction with the grain and not across the grain. And then this way it'll preserve the surface and maintain the EVA foam. So we'll give this a little scrub. You get a little bit of foaming action. That's where it kind of loosens up and lifts the dirt. You can kind of see the dirt coming off onto the swim platform. And then from there, we'll switch to a dry, clean microfiber towel. And just continue wiping alongside the grain, and you can see the kind of grime that you pick up.